Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install the OpenCV library in Python on Mac. Let's begin the installation by first opening the terminal. To do that, we are going to open the Spotlight search by pressing Command Space, and over here we are going to write terminal. Once it appears, we are going to hit enter and boom, it opens. Now I'm going to show you the version of Python installed on my Mac. So I'm going to type the command python 3 hyphen hyphen version with space in the middle. This is the command you use to get the version of Python installed on your Mac. Let's hit enter. And you can see it prints Python 3.13.5, which is the version of Python installed on my Mac. And it happens to be one of the latest versions of Python available at the time of recording this video. Now, what we are going to do first, we will create a Python project folder. So I'm going to go inside my desktop using the cd command, and over here using the mkdir command, I am going to create a Python project folder, which I am going to name as cv_install. Let's hit enter, and you can see a folder in the name of cv_install is created on my desktop. Now we are going to go inside this Python project folder using the cd command again, and over here we are going to create a Python virtual environment. Because installing Python modules in a virtual environment keeps project dependencies isolated so they don't mess with other modules or system packages. And the command to create a Python virtual environment is python 3 -m venv, and the name of the virtual environment, let's name it as cv_venv. Let's hit enter, and if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. Alright, no error. That means we have successfully created the virtual environment. Now we are going to activate it. And how to activate it? We are going to use the source command. So we'll write source space, the name of the virtual environment, which is cv_venv /bin/activate. Let's hit enter. And you can see cv_venv has become active. Now we are going to install the OpenCV library. And what is the command for that? It's pip install OpenCV-Python. This is the command to install the OpenCV library. Let's hit enter. Alright, the installation has begun. It should be over soon. Awesome. It says successfully installed NumPy 2.2.6 and OpenCV Python 4.12.0.88. So it also installed NumPy along with OpenCV Python. But the bottom line is that OpenCV Python is successfully installed. Now let's test its installation ourselves. So to do that, we are going to start a Python prompt using python 3 command. Once we hit enter, it's going to start a Python prompt. Over here, we are going to import the OpenCV library using import cv2. This is how we import the OpenCV library. Let's hit enter, and if this statement gets executed successfully, that means OpenCV library is successfully installed. Awesome! You can see it got executed successfully. Now let's print its version as well. So we'll write print, within brackets, we'll write cv2 dot _version . Now, it should match the version of the OpenCV library that appears over here, the one which we just installed. Let's hit enter. Alright, it says 4.12.0, which is what appears over here. .88 is not there, but least of our concerns. The good thing is that we have installed the OpenCV library by creating a Python virtual environment. And now we are going to simply deactivate the virtual environment because that's a good practice. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the OpenCV library in Python from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.